Welcome to EasyTurn, provided by Empire Today for Business. Get ready to learn how EasyTurn helps turn units faster by offering an easy, online way to place orders for flooring work in units, hallways, or common areas, schedule installation, manage your flooring budget, and track invoices. Here's a quick tour. The dashboard is where you find your account profile, place orders, see invoices, and track order history. You'll also be able to contact your Empire Today for Business account manager through here. In your account profile, you can add users, locations, and floor plans. This is a great first step for using EasyTurn. Whether you manage one or hundreds of buildings, all of your orders are automatically linked to a location, so you can see everything that's going on with flooring replacements. If you don't have digital floor plans, don't worry, Empire can create them. Want to check out order history and see the bigger picture? It's all here, so you can stay on top of your flooring budget. Ready to replace floors? When you need to turn a unit, under Place Orders, you will see everything you need. It takes less than 5 minutes to submit an order online. To start a new order, simply select the unit where you want to replace the floors. Then, choose the rooms and customize items related to the job. Price is automatically estimated, so you know what the project will cost, on the spot and up front. You can schedule an installation date and even add notes. The best part? Once you submit, Empire gets to work planning the labor and materials needed to get the floor installed on time. It's that simple. Enjoy an easier way to manage flooring replacements with EasyTurn. Only at Empire Today for Business.